Mastering open-ended questions for engaging small talk. Hello, language explorers. Today, we'll dive into an exciting part of English conversation: asking open-ended questions. This skill is fundamental in sparking lively and engaging chats, particularly in informal settings. They are the keys that unlock rich, meaningful conversations, helping us move beyond the basic greetings and introductions. Open-ended questions are questions that can't be answered with a simple yes or no. They invite people to share more about their experiences, thoughts, and feelings, leading to deeper conversations. For example, instead of asking, "Do you like pizza?" which is a closed-ended question that can be answered with a yes or no, you could ask, "What's your favorite kind of pizza?" This question invites the other person to share more about their tastes, and it may lead to a more interesting conversation about food. When crafting your open-ended questions, you'll want to start with words like what, how, why, or tell me about. These words encourage the other person to provide more detail in their response. For instance, instead of asking, "Did you enjoy your weekend?" you could ask, "What was the most enjoyable part of your weekend?" This question not only asks whether they enjoyed their weekend but also what they did that was enjoyable. Remember, the best open-ended questions are those that are relevant to the situation and the person you're speaking to. If you're at a music concert, for example, you might ask, "What do you love most about live music?" If you're at a book club, you might ask, "What drew you to this book?" Let's practice together. Try answering these open-ended questions. 1. What do you find most challenging about learning English? 2. How has your day been different than usual? 3. Why did you choose your current job or field of study? 4. Tell me about a hobby you're passionate about. By practicing, you can get a feel for the sort of responses open-ended questions can generate, and this will help you create your own questions in the future. And there we have it. We've explored how to ask open-ended questions, and you've even practiced a bit yourself. Remember, the goal is to ignite engaging conversations, so be curious and genuine with your questions. We hope this lesson will enhance your English language learning journey. Happy conversing!